Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade cucumber. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large cucumbers, 4 to 5 fresh lemons, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need 4 cups of cold water and some fresh mint sprigs for a lovely garnish. Make sure all your produce is thoroughly washed and ready to go. This refreshing drink is perfect for a warm day, offering a unique twist on classic lemonade. Next, let's prepare our main ingredients. Start by peeling and roughly chopping your 2 large cucumbers. These pieces will be easier to blend later. Then, juice your 4 to 5 lemons. Aim for about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Be sure to strain out any seeds to ensure your lemonade cucumber is perfectly smooth and enjoyable. Now it's time to blend everything together. Place your chopped cucumbers into a blender with 2 cups of cold water. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, then strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp. In a large pitcher, combine this cucumber liquid with your fresh lemon juice, the 1 cup of sugar, and the remaining 2 cups of water. Stir well until the sugar fully dissolves. For the best taste, chill your lemonade cucumber in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Pour it over ice, garnish with fresh cucumber slices and a sprig of mint, and enjoy this incredibly refreshing beverage. It's a delightful drink for any occasion. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.